If your Sony WH-1000XM6 not pairing, not connecting, no sound, or not working with your any iPhone, don't worry, here's a step-by-step fix that must solve your problem. So first you have to put your headphones into pairing mode correctly. If your headphones are already on, turn them off by pressing the power button. And now to make it pairing mode, just press and hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds until the blue light starts blinking. And now at the same time, keep your iPhone close to your headphone. Ensure both your headphones and iPhone have enough charge. And also check and clear all Bluetooth devices on your iPhone. So from your Bluetooth list, remove any old or unused Bluetooth devices and turn Bluetooth off and wait 5 to 10 seconds, then turn it back on. And now for a fresh start, you can restart your iPhone and check the problem still persists or not. And now you have to make sure your headphones are not automatically connecting to another nearby device, or your iPhone might not detect them. So if it's connected to another device, just disconnect them. And now you have to try to connect to your device. But if it's still making issue, now you have to go for a hard reset. So now you have to turn the headphones off again. Press and hold both the power button and the noise cancellation button for about 20 to 25 seconds. The blue light will blink 4 times. This actually clears most issue. So wait 5 seconds, then put the headphones back into pairing mode by holding the power button for 3 to 5 seconds. And lastly, if it shows connected but no sound, you have to check audio output. So while playing the music, open the control center, and from here the playlist, make sure the audio output is set to your Sony WH-1000XM6. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.